Hello students, welcome back to AriserTalent. I am your maths teacher Arpita Sharma. Students, we are discussing this chapter which is polynomials, right? Okay, so starting with writing the name of our chapter which is polynomials. Now, we have covered the theory part and we have done so many questions. Okay, so factorization we were talking about and some interesting questions on factorization. First, factorization, and the second, expansion of given factors. We have done both the things, of squares also and of the cubic identities also, right? Okay, no doubt about that. Now we are going to have some specific questions that are derived with the identities we have studied. Like what? Okay, so we have studied this identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x y z is equals to what? X plus y plus z. Okay, and then multiplication of x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This was the very formula. We find out that is a particular formula. Okay, we are going to write this equal sign 2 times. Okay, so we find out that this identity is equals to this. We have proved it in our last session too. Now we are having some formulas based on this. Now we proved this identity. We proved this identity by the expansion. We took this particular which RHS, right? So we took this RHS and make that equals to LHS. So we studied that indirect identity. This is basically an identity. Now what and what we can look from this? Let's suppose if I am having some x plus y plus z whole cube, or I am having something in which when I calculate x plus y plus z equals to 0, then what can it be? Now something like that. If this x plus y plus z is 0, that means 0 multiplied by something and 0 multiplied by anything in which the denominator is not 0, that will going to be 0 only. Okay, so that means if this x plus y plus z equals to 0, that means this complete term will become x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to 0. Now it is telling us that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. Just I transport this last term to that side. So here we are having this formula in a condition when x plus y plus z is equals to 0. In that particular condition, this formula will work. Now, we are going to learn these things. Look, we have learned the square formulas, we have learned the cube formulas. Okay, cube and squares in 2 variable like x and y, both in square and cube. Then x, y, z, 3 variables and its cube and also its square. So now the formulas based on these identities are there. Okay, because in this what we were doing, we were just multiplying all these terms to this and then we are cutting out something and then find out to be this particular term, right? Okay, so based on this we will do some questions also, right? Based on this we will do definitely some questions on this also. So look at it. What's the question? Right, these are the questions. Okay, first you have to show that, right, you have verified this very thing, right? Whatever I was writing just before that was this. If x plus y plus z equals to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. Now I am repeating. We have proved this. We have verified this. Okay. So if that's so, that means That means if I have to show this, I am having an identity. This is very simple. Okay. Now solution or proof. If show that, okay, so it's a proof here. What we are going to do is just writing x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal minus 3xyz equals to, I have told you the formula x plus y plus z multiply by x square plus y square plus z square, note it, minus xy minus yz minus zx, right? Okay. This implies that this is by identity. Okay. Now, given that x plus y plus z equals to 0. Now, put this value of x plus y plus z in this equation 1. Putting value in equation 1, what you will get, x cube plus y cube plus z cube, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to what? 0 multiply by, you can write this something or just you can only write 0, but we are writing the complete thing here, minus yz minus zx. Okay. So, now that will be x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to 0. 0 multiplied by something is 0. Okay. So, now this is x cube plus y cube plus z cube, that will be equals to transposing 3xyz there. So, students, hence proved. Okay, hence proved, right. Okay. Now, what I am doing, I am just rubbing all the proof here and you are remaining with the formula. Okay. And this is in the case when x plus y plus z equals to 0. Now, this is only the identity. Now, I will show you how to use this identity in your questions. Okay. So, here it is. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. You don't have to calculate these cubes, but you have to write the values of them. So, how will you do that? Because these are only cubes here. So, we have to do math, and in order to do math, we have to find out cube and then add them and then we will get the answer. So, what is the alternative approach? Look at it here, different one. That means that is x cube, y cube, z cube. Okay. Now, striking something, if my x plus y plus z equals to 0 here in this case, then I will get to know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. So, now I have to calculate only 3xyz, no cubes to calculate. Okay. Okay. So, using this identity, right. So, should I remove this? You know about this now, x plus y plus z, you can just see it here, 7 plus 5, what? 12, 12 minus 12, what? 0. Here again 28, okay, minus 15 minus 13, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, 1 and 2. So, 28 of minus. So, minus 28 and 28 again 0. So, now we are ready to use this identity in these two questions and find out the answer. Okay. Okay, students, this very first which is minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Okay. Let what? Let minus 12 equals to x, 7 equals to y and 5 equals to z. Now, x plus y plus z is equals to minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 is equals to minus 12, 7 plus 5, 12 equals to 0. Right. This implies that x plus y plus z equals to 0. This implies that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. Right. So, this implies this minus 12, right, minus 12 is x. So, minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube, and this is what the exactly question is, equals to 3 multiplied by minus 12 which is x, then y which is 7 and z which is 5. Okay. Now, 7 multiplied by 5, 35. Okay. 12 multiplied by minus 3, minus 36, isn't it? So, that will become minus 35 multiplied by 36 or minus 36 multiplied by 35. Okay. Do the simple math here. 36 multiplied by 35, 0, 3 carry, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. Now, 18, 1 carry, 9, 10. So, that will be 1260. 1260 of what? Minus, because we are having a minus here. So, that will be minus 1260 and that will be, students, what? Your answer. This is for the answer 1. The first number part of this question. Now, look at the second one here. Can we again apply the same logic here? So, for the second I am talking. The second part here is what? 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. Again student, let x equals to, you have to write in this form, x equals to this, y equals to this, z equals to this, then x plus y plus z equals to 0, showing that they are actually 0, then applying this formula, writing the identity and putting the values and then solving it. Okay, you have to follow the procedure. Okay, this will makes very much sense in your boards. Okay, that will get you numbers actually. Okay, so that is x equals to 28, y equals to minus 15 and z equals to, right, minus 13. Now, x plus y plus z is equals to 28 minus 50 minus 13 equals to 28, and this is again 28 of minus, that will be 0. What this implies? That x plus y plus z, right? Just don't look at it board, do the calculation with yourself. Okay. Now, if x plus y plus z equals to 0, so applying the identity, which identity? X cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz if x plus y plus z equals to 0. Why you have to write it again and again? So you can memorize the formula. Okay, so you have to write it with me. Right, now this implies that put the value x equals to 28 cube plus y equals to minus 15 cube and plus z equals to minus 13 cube equals to 3 multiply by 28 multiply by minus 15 multiply by minus 13. Now student, look at it, you are having 2 minus here, minus minus plus, so you need not worry about these signs, you are getting minus here, but you will be having something with this, okay. So I will be multiplying this 15 with 13, okay. So that will be 15, 3 was the 3, 1 4, here 15, right, 5, 9 and 1, okay. 5 to the 15, 1, 3, 4 and 15 here, 5, 9, 1, right. Now 195 is multiplication of these two, right. 195 multiplied by this 28, right. So that will be 40, again 76, 8, 15 and that will be, we are getting something here 15, 13, 3, x, y, z, just do it again, okay. We are getting two numbers, minus 15 and minus 30, 4, 15, so 9 and 1. So 195 of plus, here we are getting two numbers, this is 28 multiplied by 3, 24. So we are getting 84, right, by these two. So we will get 84 multiplied by this 195. Now again 195 multiplied by this 84 will give 20 here, okay. So it is being a little messy, so we will be having this 195 multiplied by 84 here, so that will be 20, okay. 36 plus 2, 38, 4 ones are 4, 5, 6, 7, right. 40, getting 4 here. 72 plus 4 is 76, 8 ones are 8, so that will be 0 here, 8 here, 3, 6, 1, so that will be 16 and 380, so that will be 16, 380 and that will be what, student, your answer, right. Removing the rough work here, that will be your answer. So this is the way you are going to solve the cubes of 3 numbers without actually calculating the cubes, but using the formula x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz in the situation where x plus y plus z equals to 0. Okay, noted. Should we move to our next question? Right. So for the next question we are having here, this, give possible expression for the length and width of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. So try to understand this question. Area is given 25a square minus 35a plus 12 in one condition. This is the area of a rectangle, and the second condition is given 35y square plus 13y minus of 12. Now what? Basically we are having some polynomial expression and it is called as area. Now what is area? What is area? Area is simply length multiplied by breadth. Or width, right. So if it is so, or you can just write it length into width, that means L multiplied by B. So that means basically you are having two sides. If you are having two sides, you need to find it in the multiplication. That means you are having two factors of it. One factor is your length and second factor is your width, right. Now which is length, which is width is another matter. We have to just factorize it. If you factorize that particular equation in two factors, that means one is length and one is width, okay. And you can have this like you can have three factors also in case of volume, okay, and we will look such kind of questions also. So this is the first part, given area. Which is given area? What is given area? This is given 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Remembering something or not? This is your given area, students. 35a square minus 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Remembering something? This is 25, this is 12, add them, you are getting 35, right, adding them, you are getting 35. So factors of A and C are getting you B on addition. You know, very first method of factorization was like this only, okay. So you just have to use that one. Now 25a square minus 35a plus 12 can be written as 25a square minus 25a minus 12a plus 12. Now look at it again, 25a square is 25a square, 25a and 12a of minus will give you what? Not 25, is it 25? It's not 25, it should be 23. Let's have a look, okay. So this question is correct, but our factorization is wrong. We are having this as it is now 12 and 25. So that will be 25 multiplied by 12. This is in the rough work, okay. So that will be 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3. Now you have to make factors such as you will get minus 35a, okay. So you will getting this 20 here and you will getting this 15 here. Now 20 plus 15 is 35, okay. So we will be writing it in such a manner. So here we will be writing it 25a square minus 20a minus 15a, okay. So now it is 25a square minus 20 plus 15, 5 and 3. So 35a of minus plus 12, okay. Now how will we getting a common number if we have 5 from here? So 5 from here will get you 5 and 4 here, and if you get 3 from here, so that will be 5 and 4 here, right. So we can take this, okay. So if you are getting this common as 5 and a, so that will be 5 5s are 25 and a here and minus 4. So you are getting 5a minus 4. Here we are having 3 common, so 5a, now minus 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 is plus, so that will be 4 here. 5a minus 4 here, 5a minus 4 here, that means we will be getting 5a minus 3 and 5a minus 4, right, as factors. That means either this is length or this is length. If this is length, this is your width, and if this is length, this is your width. So what can be the possible outcome? Because area equals to L multiplied by B, that is length multiplied by width, that and this complete factor, and given area 25a square minus 35a plus 12 equals to 5a minus 3 and 5a minus 4. This implies that L equals to 5a minus 3 and B equals to 5A minus 4, or L equals to 5A minus 4 and B equals to 5A minus 3. Anything can be possible, right? You can have a rectangle of 5A minus 4 of length and 5A minus 3 for width, and you can have the vice versa also, right? So, this is our solution, note it, and then we will move towards the next question. Okay, noted? Right. So, we are having this second given thing as area, given area again 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Okay. Now, this is something 35 minus 12 is 23, right? Okay. So, it is not worth it. Now, what we will do? We will have this 35 and 12 here, right? Okay. So, 35 multiply by 12. The factors of this will be 35 is 7 and 5 and 12 is 4 and 3. Okay. Now, if getting any combination by that, you can get 13. So, that is 28 here and 15 here. So, if you are getting that, that will be 3 and that will be 1 here. Now, understand again, I can write these as factors 28 multiply by 15, 28 multiply by 15 is again 35 multiply by 12. Okay, I just multiplied these two terms, write it here, and these two terms, write it here. So, that is basically the same factors of 35 and 12. Now, if I minus them, subtract them, then I will be getting the value as 13. That means these two factors I can use. Okay. So, here I will be writing it as 35y square now plus 28y and minus of 15y and minus of 12, correct? Okay. Now, what can I get common from here? This 35 here and 27 here, right? So, 7 will work. Okay. 7 and in addition y, right? So, I will be having 7y as common. Now, I will be getting 5 and y here plus 4 here. Okay. Now, I will be getting what? 5 cannot be taken common, 2 cannot be, but 3. Okay. So, 3, simply 3, 5y minus plus 4. Again, I am having this common factor as 7y minus 3 and this common factor 5y plus 4. Now, again you know, given area equals to 35y square plus 13y minus 12 is equals to length multiplied by breadth is equals to 7y minus 3 and 5y plus 4. This implies that L equals to 7y minus 3, B equals to 7y plus 4, or L equals to 5y plus 4 and B equals to 7y plus 3. These are two possible answers for the given expression. Note it, right? Note this completely. Okay. Now next question we getting the question regarding the volume. Okay, now we have to do the same exercise here. We have to do the factorization, and this might look a little messy to you guys, but it's very really simple. Just try to have something common in it. And the second, in here also you are going to take some common thing out, and then we'll try to factorize that. You will be getting the 3 factor of this, and you will getting that as L, B and H. Okay, because volumes formula is L, B, H. Okay, so with that note I am ending this lecture. We will be meeting soon in our next lecture. Till then, enjoy your life guys and stay happy. Bye bye.